Now, you can create these paint-to-life AI videos completely for free using Grok AI, and this alone can help your YouTube Shorts channel grow explosively within just a few days. Because this niche is still 100% fresh and almost no one is using it yet. But that's only the beginning, because today, I'm going to show you 8 brand new and highly viral ideas, including ancient book-to-living creature videos, powder seeds transforming into full trees, drawings turning into live AI scenes, water drops turning into country-themed artwork, adorable miniature animals emerging from jars, miniature restaurants or shops, and even more. And the best part is that you'll also learn a hidden trick that allows you to generate unlimited AI videos for free using a single Grok AI account. First, let's start by creating paint-to-live AI videos by visiting grok.com. Before we move forward, you can see that my account is currently on the free plan. To create videos for free, simply click the Imagine option located on the left sidebar. After that, make sure you switch to the Video option and select your preferred aspect ratio. Since we are creating viral shorts, we'll select the vertical aspect ratio. Now we need to enter our prompt here. I already have an example prompt prepared, so we'll use it to generate our very first video. Just hit the send button, and within a few seconds, Grok AI will produce our first AI video. Here it is. Let's preview it. You can see that the video quality already looks fantastic, but when we provide a more refined and enhanced prompt, the result becomes even more impressive. So we'll use the enhanced version next. Now, here's the trick to generate unlimited free videos using Grok AI. If you type prompts into the main prompt box, you'll quickly reach the generation limit. But if you place your new prompt inside the redo box and click redo, you can generate unlimited videos for free. However, there is one downside. Entering a new prompt in the redo box will cause the current video to disappear. So before entering the new prompt, we must download the existing video from here. And you can see that our video has been successfully downloaded. Once it's saved, simply paste your new prompt into the redo box and press send. And just like that, our new video is ready. Let's preview it. You can clearly see that the enhanced prompt produces a far better result than the normal prompt. To help you create such enhanced prompts, I have already prepared a general template for you. You can use this template inside ChatGPT and replace the object name and description with your own concept. For demonstration, I am entering frostwing bird. Feathers refract rainbow light like frost, wings fluttering while cold mist trails behind. ChatGPT will immediately provide us with the perfect enhanced prompt for this idea. Copy this newly generated enhanced prompt and go back to Grok AI for unlimited video generation. We will not place the prompt in the main prompt box. Instead, we will paste it directly into the redo box. But before pasting your enhanced prompt, remember to download the existing video because it will disappear once the redo prompt is replaced. After downloading the video, paste your enhanced prompt into redo and press send. Within seconds, our new video will be ready. Let's preview it. The result looks absolutely mind-blowing, and producing videos like these can help your YouTube channel go viral extremely easily. Next, we move to the Drawing to Fantasy AI videos viral niche. To create these videos, we will use this enhanced example prompt. Paste the enhanced prompt into the redo box and press send, and within a few seconds, bingo, our very first Drawing to Fantasy AI video appears. Let's preview it. To create your own enhanced prompt for generating Drawing to Fantasy AI videos, you can use the template again. Simply copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the placeholder idea with your own. For example, crayon lines split open like cracks, and a 3D saber-toothed tiger jumps out roaring. ChatGPT will return an enhanced prompt based on your idea, and you can use it in Grok AI to generate a perfect drawing to fantasy AI video. By now, you already know that before entering a new prompt in the redo box, you must download the existing video so it does not disappear. After downloading, simply paste your new enhanced prompt into redo and hit send. And once again, our new drawing to fantasy AI video is ready. Let's preview this one as well. This is truly impressive, and the best part is that Grok AI automatically adds sound effects to the video, meaning you don't need to manually edit or add audio. You can directly upload these videos to YouTube and easily go viral. Now we have the next viral theme: miniature restaurant or miniature building AI videos. Let's create a miniature Domino's Pizza Kitchen AI video. We'll use the enhanced example prompt prepared for this theme. Paste the enhanced prompt, hit send, and our miniature Domino's Pizza Kitchen AI video is ready. Let's preview it. To create your own enhanced prompt for miniature restaurant or miniature building videos, use the template, replace the idea placeholder with your concept, and ChatGPT will generate a fully customized enhanced prompt for the miniature environment you want to create. Once you have the prompt, use it in Grok AI, paste it into the redo box, click send, and once again, our new video is ready. Let's preview it. Next, we move to the viral concept of giant animals with miniature cities. Let's say we want to create a viral AI video of a giant cat overlooking a tiny Leapian village. We'll use the enhanced example prompt. After placing it into redo and clicking send, the video appears within seconds. To generate your own enhanced prompt for this theme, use the template again and replace the placeholder with your idea. For example, a giant Shiba Inu looking down at a tiny ramen village, miniature chefs cooking, steam rising from small soup bowls, lantern-lit streets glowing warmly. ChatGPT will generate the perfect enhanced prompt. Use this prompt inside Grok AI, paste it into redo after downloading your current video, and within seconds, your new video is ready. Let's preview it. Next, we have the adorable and highly viral concept: cute miniature animals emerging from jars. These videos often perform exceptionally well because they're visually charming, satisfying, and incredibly shareable. To create one of these videos, we'll use the enhanced example prompt featuring miniature animals inside a jar. Paste the enhanced prompt into the redo box, click send, and in just a few seconds, our viral AI video of tiny creatures emerging from a jar appears. Let's preview it. To create your own enhanced prompt for this theme, simply use the prompt template again and replace the idea placeholder with your desired concept. For example, instead of the original idea, we'll use miniature orange cat kits emerging from a jar. Once we enter this idea into ChatGPT, it instantly provides the perfect enhanced prompt designed to generate a miniature orange cat jar video. We can then take this prompt, paste it into the redo box on Grok AI, and after downloading the current video, hit send. In just seconds, our new AI video is ready. Let's preview it. Next, we move into the viral theme, water drop to country artwork AI videos. Previously, I used this idea with Grok AI to generate a complete transformation video. We paste the prompt, click send, and the video is generated. Then we preview it. If you want to generate your own customized version, simply change the country name, and that's all it takes. Let's preview it as well. This method allows you to create your own water drop to country artwork videos very easily while maintaining full creative control over the country theme. Moving on, we arrive at one of the most visually stunning and captivating viral themes on the list: ancient book to living creature AI videos. This idea is particularly powerful because the transformation effect feels magical and cinematic, grabbing the viewer's attention instantly. It's one of my personal favorites because the results look incredibly dramatic and eye-catching. To demonstrate, let's create an ancient book to dragon transformation video. Simply paste the enhanced example prompt into the redo box on Grok AI and click send. Within just a few moments, the ancient book unfolds and transforms into a living dragon. Let's preview it. And trust me, this type of effect can attract massive audience engagement because it gives viewers a strong sense of wonder and excitement. If you want to create your own variation of this theme, all you need to do is replace the placeholder idea in the enhanced prompt template. ChatGPT will then generate a customized enhanced prompt perfectly tailored to your concept. Once the prompt is ready, paste it into the redo box after downloading your current video and click send. The new video will appear shortly. Let's preview it. Finally, we arrive at the last viral niche in this list: seed-to-tree transformation AI videos. This concept is incredibly satisfying to watch because it showcases a natural progression from a tiny seed to a fully grown tree, creating a visually soothing and aesthetically pleasing result. To demonstrate, I use the example enhanced prompt with Grok AI to generate a complete seed-to-tree transformation. Let's preview it. Just like all the previous categories, you can create your own variation easily. Simply open the enhanced prompt template, replace the placeholder with your own seed concept, and ChatGPT will immediately produce a refined enhanced prompt matching your idea. Copy this enhanced prompt, paste it into the redo box on Grok AI, download the existing video beforehand, and click send. Within a few seconds, your new transformation video will appear. Let's preview it. So these are all the viral niches and ideas you can use right now to grow rapidly on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. With these 8 themes, you now have enough creative material to consistently produce eye-catching and viral short-form videos. Tell me in the comments which viral idea you liked the most. And if you watched all the way through, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss future videos with even more powerful ideas.